This is the Mitex Site handheld two-way radio. Now this is one of the more robust models in the Mitex range alongside the Mitex HD and the Mitex General Extreme. Now this particular model was designed specifically for the construction industry and similar environments, so it is a fantastic choice for anybody looking for reliable communications in a harsher environment. Now this radio is relatively compact, as you can see. It is fairly lightweight, but please don't let that fool you. This is an incredibly robust radio. It is water, dust and vibration resistant. So it's ready to be put through its paces, and it comes with a 2200 milliamp battery, so it is certainly not afraid of a hard day's graft. Now it does come with a protective leather case included, even though it is a durable radio, just for added protection there. And it also comes with a protective socket for the audio port there. So if you do want to use audio accessories, it comes with a screw-on cap there to protect the audio socket, so it prevents the audio accessory from being pulled out and causing damage to the port. Now, if you do want to use audio accessories, please ensure that the radio is turned off before you attach or detach any audio accessories, because most walkie-talkies and two-way radios, the audio port here is also the programming port. So if the radio is not turned off when you're putting accessories in there, it can cause damage to the radio. Now, most construction sites have a lot of concrete and steel on them, so a standard license-free two-way radio is not usually going to have the power to cut it through all that interference and transmit right across your site, but that is a no problem for the Mitex site. This is a 5-watt powered licensed radio, so it is going to cut it on your building site. Now, the Mitex straight from the box concept means that this radio is pre-programmed to use 3 of the 449 megahertz frequencies that are allocated under the UK business radio licence. So that means all you have to do is fill in the form that comes in the box, or you can apply online. Ofcom will send you an invoice for £75, and then that's it. You're covered for 5 years, regardless of the number of radios that you use. Now, if you apply for the licence under your construction business name, then that means that everybody that works in your business is covered to use these radios anywhere in the UK. It's not specific to each building site. Now, the application is very simple, but obviously if you do have any questions or any problems with it, please do give us a call. We're more than happy to help, and we can do the application for you at no extra charge should you need it. Now, as with most of the Mitex models, this radio is really simple to use. To turn it on, you just use the volume knob here, twist that, and then you select the channel that you need using the channel knob there, and then you just press the talk button to talk and transmit your message. Obviously that's the volume knob if you need to make it louder or quieter, and then you just turn that all the way back till it clicks to turn the radio off. So it's really simple to use too. Now, as with most of the other UHF licensed radios in the Mitex range, this model will talk to all the other models on channels 13 through to 15. So that does mean that if you are pushed for budget on your building site, then you could consider a Mitex General radio for use in the site office, perhaps in vehicles too. And then you keep the Mitex site for on-site, where a more robust model is required. So if you're looking for a hard-working handset that's going to give you reliable communications across your construction site, then please do give the Mitex Site handheld two-way radio a try. So when you open up the box, you see you've got your radio there, the battery, the charger and the belt clip is under the radio there. So it's really simple to put together. So it's really easy to put this radio together. If you want to use the belt clip, it's probably easier to pop that onto the battery first, like she says, like so. Bit fiddly, but in it goes. There we go. And then you pop the battery onto the back of the radio, slide it in there, and then click it into place. Obviously with your antenna, screws on there. Okay, and then it just slots into the charger. See the grooves there, and the radio slot into the charger like that. or you can use the radio, charge the battery on its own. By removing the battery, you just slide that bit up there and the battery comes off, and then you can just charge the battery, slide it into the grooves like so, and you can charge the battery on its own if you have spare batteries that you want to charge up when you're using the radio. If you want to use an audio accessory, the great thing with this radio is that if you remove the audio cover, you can pop your audio accessory in there, and it comes with this protective clip which you would then screw in, and that keeps your audio accessory nice and secure there. And that's it, there you have it.